Hello everyone, welcome to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create custom global address list in Exchange 2019. The built-in global address list automatically created by Exchange includes every mail-enabled objects from the Active Directory forest. Typically, most organizations have only one global address list because users can only see and use one global address list in Outlook and in Outlook on the web console. You might need to create multiple global address lists if you want to prevent groups of recipients from seeing each other. Let's take a scenario that we have single Exchange organization with two separate companies in it, and we don't want recipients from one company can see the recipients of another company. And that's why we want to create two separate custom global address lists for both companies. Already I have configured company attribute in user account properties in our Active Directory domain. Let's see them first using Windows PowerShell. This is a command get-ad user-filter, and filter name is company is equal to MSFT Webcast. And these are the users from our MSFT Webcast company. Fine. So we want to create a custom global address list for our company named MSFT Webcast. Remember, we can only use the Exchange Management Shell to create, modify, remove, and update global address list. So on Exchange 2019 mailbox server, we need to open Exchange Management Shell. And for that, you can click on Start button and then click on Microsoft Exchange Server 2019 and then click on Exchange Management Shell. Already I have pinned Exchange Management Shell to our taskbar. Let's open it. Let's type command cd/ and let's clear the screen as well. First, we are going to use the command get-global address list to see the list of global address list in our Exchange organization. Let's press Enter key. And as you can see, we have only one global address list, and that is our default global address list. Now we are going to create new global address list using the cmdelete new-global address list. Then we need to specify switch-name, and name will be MSFT Webcast GAL. Okay, then after we need to specify switch-include recipients to specify which recipients we want to include. We want to include all recipients, and that's why I have specified all recipients. Then after we are going to specify a condition, which is a conditional company. Okay, and then after we need to specify name of our company. In our case, it is MSFT Webcast. Fine. So our full cmdelete will be new-global address list -name MSFT Webcast GAL -include recipients or recipients -conditional company MSFT Webcast. So this cmdelete will create a new global address list with the name MSFT Webcast GAL with all recipient types where the company value is MSFT. Now we simply need to press Enter key. Perfect. A new global address list has been created successfully. Let's verify that by running command get-global address list. Now here we can verify our second global address list with the name MSFT Webcast GAL. After creating new global address list, we need to update the global address list. And for that, we're going to use cmdelete update-global address list. -identity to specify the name of our address list. In our case, it is MSFT Webcast GAL. So this cmdelete will update the custom global address list named MSFT Webcast GAL. To do so, we need to press Enter key. Perfect. Our custom global address list has been successfully updated. Now we can repeat the same steps to create another global address list for the second company. Now, we also want to verify our global address list in Exchange Admin Center as well. To do so, I'm going to open Internet Explorer, and then after we need to type https://localhost/ECP to access Exchange Admin Center web interface. Let's click on more information, click on go onto the web page and sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center web interface, we need to click on Organization, and then after we need to click on Address List tab. And here we can see our custom global address list name MSFT Webcast GAL. And under type, we can verify it is global address list. So in this way, we can create custom global address list in Exchange 2019 based on recipient's company filter. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.